I would say that the heart of IndyHumane is people that make the teams and the people that come here every single day, and despite if they're facing any challenges or anything, they still show up every single day to care for those animals, and at the end of the day, we all have the same goal. We want to get those animals to loving homes and make sure that they have beautiful futures.
I have been here so long that I have seen super successes with dogs. I've seen some of our long-term dogs that have been here over a year, sometimes 2, find their forever home. And that is super gratifying. It's heartbreaking for me because I'm so in love with them. And at the same time, I'm just overjoyed to see them go home.
Here at IndyHumane, we provide pet adoption services, we provide medical care for those pets that come to us. We also provide medical care for owned animals through our vaccine clinics, our microchip opportunities that we have, as well as our spay-neuter clinics. We are here to help point people in the direction of additional resources so that they can help keep those pets in the home. We believe at IndyHumane that it's not just the pet, it's both ends of the leash that we need to be supporting people and the pets.